Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I have a prescription from my doctor.
Sure. May I see the prescription, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me take a look.
It's for my cold and cough.
I see. The doctor prescribed you some antibiotics and cough syrup.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I'll check if we have them in stock.
Great, thank you.
Please give me a moment.
Sure, no problem.
All right, we have both medicines available.
That's good news.
Would you like the generic version or the brand name one?
What's the difference?
The generic one is cheaper but works the same as the brand.
Oh, really? Then I'll take the generic one.
Perfect. That will save you some money.
Thanks, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Do you have a pharmacy card with us?
No, I don't think so.
Would you like to make one? It gives you discounts on future purchases.
Sure, that sounds good.
Great. I'll need your ID and phone number, please.
Here's my ID, and my phone number is...
Thank you. Let me register that quickly.
Okay, take your time.
All right, you're all set now.
Awesome.
The total for your medicine will be $26.50.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Of course, we accept all cards.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please tap or insert your card.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Now, let me explain how to take the medicine.
Yes, please.
Take one antibiotic capsule twice a day after meals.
Twice a day. Okay.
And take 1 spoon of cough syrup 3 times a day.
Before or after food?
After food is better.
Got it.
Also, drink plenty of water and get some rest.
I will. Thank you for the advice.
No problem.
How long should I take these medicines?
For 7 days, don't skip any doses.
Even if I feel better?
Yes, finish the full course.
Okay, I understand.
Great.
Can I drive after taking this medicine?
The antibiotic is fine, but the cough syrup may cause drowsiness.
Oh, so I shouldn't drive after taking the syrup?
Exactly. Better take it when you're home.
Thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome.
Can I take it with my vitamin pills?
Yes, that's okay. No interaction.
Perfect.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't.
That's good.
How should I store the syrup?
Keep it at room temperature, away from sunlight.
All right, not in the fridge then.
Exactly.
Can I take this antibiotic with milk?
Better not. Take it with water.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Great.
How long does it take to start working?
Usually within 2 or 3 days.
That's fast.
Yes, but remember to complete all doses.
Sure thing.
Also, avoid spicy food for a few days.
Oh, really? Why?
It can irritate your throat and slow healing.
Makes sense.
And try to get enough sleep.
I'll do that.
You'll feel much better soon.
I hope so.
If your symptoms don't improve, see your doctor again.
Okay, got it.
Would you like a small measuring cup for the syrup?
Yes, please. That would help.
Here you go. It's free.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
You're really kind.
I just like helping people feel better.
That's great.
Do you need anything else today?
Actually, yes. Do you have pain relief cream?
Yes, we do. It's right over there on aisle 3.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's good for muscle pain.
Perfect. I'll grab one.
Take your time.
Okay, I got it.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Great. I'll add that to your bill.
Sure.
That will be $8.99 more.
No problem. Here's my card again.
Thank you.
Done.
Perfect.
Do you have any cold medicine for kids?
Yes, we do. How old is the child?
She's 6.
Then you can use our children's cold syrup. It's safe for ages 6 and up.
Great. Where can I find it?
Aisle 2, second shelf from the top.
Thanks. I'll get one too.
Okay.
Here it is.
All right. Now your total is $38.75.
Perfect.
Do you need a paper bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like your receipt by email or printed?
Printed, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
You've been really helpful today.
I'm glad to hear that.
This is my first time here. I'll definitely come again.
That's wonderful. We'd love to see you back.
Thanks.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
And don't forget your cough syrup schedule.
I won't.
Good.
Bye, John.
Bye, Ava. Feel better soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Take care.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
I'll see you next week.
Sure. See you then.
Bye.
Bye-bye.